I don't know. I don't really know. I just don't see the point anymore.
Why do you say that?
All my friends are dead. But I'm still here.
How does that make you feel?
Like a fucking coward. You know, everybody, they look at me and they see this fucking tough guy, right? They see this hard exterior, but really, like on the inside, I'm not.
What do you want? From life?
Oh, fuck, I don't know. I feel like I can't even move forward.
Well, lateral steps...
Yeah, I know. Lateral steps are okay, too.
Let's start on a more micro scale. I mean, what do you want from your day-to-day?
I don't know. To be able to just walk down the beach in peace.
Yeah. That sounds achievable.
Not for me, apparently.
What else is going on?
Well, I had that fucking dream again.
Frank, I'm not here to analyze dreams.
Well, this is not just a fucking dream.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck me. Okay, look, I know this is gonna sound crazy, okay? But, like, seagulls are, like, drawn to me.
How do you mean?
This isn't normal, okay? Not a normal way. I don't mean I'm in proximity to them. I mean that when they see me, they fucking dive bomb me.
You have no idea why this pattern of Seagull attraction is being perpetuated in your life.
No.